Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes and welcome to what I hope will be an interesting sound experience for you. Today I'm going to play a very short jazz riff on 7 different reeds. I'm not going to tell you up front which reeds I'm playing that riff on. 6 of those reeds will be synthetic reeds and a cane reed makes up the 7th. So I will put the brand of reed on the screen. I won't announce it in the audio track. I recommend that you close your eyes as I'm playing these 7 versions of the same riff and just focus on which of those 7 sounds you're most attracted to. That will be a good starting point when you look at maybe changing the reed that you're currently using on the saxophone, or at least exploring options. Okay, enjoy. Were you able to pick the cane reed out of those 7 samples without having to cheat by looking at the screen? You might have been surprised how hard it is to differentiate between cane and synthetic reeds, and also between different brands of synthetic reeds. Now, one little hot jazz lick is hardly a means by which to make your decision. I do have a very extended 25-minute tutorial that looks at comparing synthetic reeds in depth and playing a different variety of styles on each reed. But for the moment, I hope you've enjoyed testing your ears rather than your eyes in trying to determine which reed most suits your idea, sound-wise, of what you're trying to achieve. Now, in selecting a reed, there are a whole lot of other factors. Price is probably the least consideration because synthetic reeds in general outlast cane reeds from a factor from 10 times and upwards. But ease of blowing, tuning, accessibility of subtones and altissimo range, durability, and just how you react as an interface with the reed and the instrument when choosing a particular brand are all considerations. For me, it's Barry USA all the way. I just love how those reeds tick off all of the boxes for me in my playing. Bye for now.